Welcome students in online class for subject physics for 12th standard. Today we have learned chapter number 16, semiconductor devices. In this chapter we have seen the special purpose of junction diodes are number 1, Zener diode, number 2, photodiode, number 3, photocell or solar cell, and number 4, light emitting diode, which will be said to be LED. So in this 4 special purpose of junction diodes, today we have to learn photodiode. So first of all, what is meant by photodiode? It is special purpose of junction diode or special type of p-n junction diode which converts light energy into electrical energy. Conversion of light energy into electrical energy, it generate current, and when it exposed to light, so it is called photodetector or photosensor. So photodiode will be the converts light energy into electrical energy, and that is the special type of p-n junction diode. Okay, so this photodiode will operate this photodiode will operate in reverse bias. Mode. It operates in reverse bias modes. Its electronic symbol or its symbol, circuit symbol, it will be like this. So here the arrow represents light energy, sunlight energy, which is incident on p region of diode, junction diode. That will be the electronic symbol for p-n junction diode. So photodiode, only minority current flows through it. In this photodiode, only minority current flows through it. So we have to see structure. The structure of photodiode like this. In this structure, when light energy is incident, see here silicon nitride coating, nitride coating is there, and here diffusion mask of silicon oxide. So when light energy is incident, P and N regions are there, and this PN junction diode is placed inside the glass material so that only junction of photodiode is exposed to the light. When PN junction of diode is in reverse bias, a reverse saturation current through the junction is there. See here, the magnitude of current is constant for certain range of reverse bias voltage. This saturation current will be due to minority carriers on its either side. See here, either side, P region, N region. So we can say that minority carriers in N region and hole are the minority carriers in P regions. As electrons are minority carriers in N region, so holes are also minority carrier in P region of diode. So reverse current depends on concentration of minority carriers. So it is not depends on applied voltage. Means if we can say dependence of reverse current in photodiode. So reverse current in photodiode depends on concentration of minority carriers, not on applied voltage, and such current is called as dark current in photodiode. So we can see dark current in photodiode. If a question is asked what is meant by dark current in photodiode, so we say that reverse current depends only on concentration of minority carrier. It does not depends on applied voltage. Such current is called as dark current in photodiode because it flows even when photodiode is not illuminated. So we can see that if we can see working here, light energy is incident on P region and N region. Reverse bias negative terminal is connected to P region, positive terminal is connected to N region. When PN junction is illuminated, electron hole pairs are generated in depletion layer. See here, that is the depletion layer between P and N semiconductor. So that the energy of incident photon, see here, energy that is gives energy of incident photon, that will be more or larger than the band gap of semiconductor material which is used to fabricate the photodiode, so that the electrons, see here, electrons and hole are separated due to intrinsic electric field present in depletion layers. Electrons are attracted, see here, electrons are attracted towards the cathode. Electrons are attracted towards the cathode, whereas holes are attracted towards the anode, and so that carriers are available for conduction and reverse current is increased. If reverse current of photodiode depends on intensity, we see that reverse current of photodiode is depends on intensity of incident light. Thus, reverse current can be controlled in controlling the concentration of minority carriers in junction. If we plot a graph of potential against current, see here potential is there on x-axis and current is on y-axis. So that here we can say that from this graph it shows that relation between a reverse current and illumination or intensity of illumination. So we say that total current passing through photodiode is equal to summation of photocurrent and dark current. That gives the total current passing through photodiode. If another graph is plotted current against illumination, see here, if another graph current against illumination can be seen. So here sensitivity of device can be increased by minimizing the dark current. From this curve we see that initially reverse current increases and with the intensity of illumination and reaches a constant value after certain voltage. At this voltage it reaches, the voltage is said to be voltage for or reverse voltage, that is VR. So we see that reverse voltage VR will be a point at which reverse current increases and so that it is constant. Such current which is constant at particular voltage called as saturated current. Such current is called as saturated current of photodiode. So there is dark resistance. That is RD. This dark resistance is the resistance of photodiode, which is defined as a ratio of maximum reverse voltage to the dark current. Means RD is equal to VR upon ID. So that will be the resistance for dark current. We have seen advantages of photodiode. Number one, what are the advantages? Number one, photodiode is quick response. Means it gives a quick response when exposed to light. Number two, it shows linear response. When the reverse current is proportional to intensity. Reverse current is proportional to intensity of incident light. Number three, photodiode operates high speed. Operates high speed. Speed must be very high. Number four, size of photodiode will be compact. It is compact in size and light weight. Then fifth advantage will be there is wide spectral response. Means photodiode is made from silicon, respond to the radiation of wavelength from 1900 angstrom unit to 11,000 angstrom unit. The range is for infrared IR region, which is also visible region, and so that photodiodes are very cheap in market. Their cost is very low. So photodiodes cheap in market or cost is very low. These are the advantages, but there is also disadvantage of photodiodes. Number one, photodiodes are temperature dependent. Which is same to the other semiconductor devices. So in photodiode, temperature stability is poor. There is poor stability of temperature in photodiode. That is the disadvantage of photodiode. And second disadvantage will be for low illumination level, reverse current is low, requires amplification. So in photodiode, reverse current is low. Why? Because low illumination level. If illumination level is low, then reverse current is also low, means it requires amplification. So these are the disadvantage of photodiodes. We can see advantage of photodiode as well as disadvantage of photodiode. We know that whenever light is strike on photodiode conduct, but when light stops, photodiode will not conduct. Means we see application of photodiode. Number 1, it is used in switches and counters. Also, the use of photodiode is burglar alarm. Same as photocell. So here in burglar alarm system, photodiodes are used like a photocell. Then detection of ultraviolet radiation, means photodiodes are used to determine or detect ultraviolet radiation as well as visible and invisible radiation, means it is used as photodetector or photosensor. Also, photodiode is extremely used in fiber optics, communication system. Today, network will be used. So in this network, fiber optics plays very important role in the network system. So here, 5th, for safety electronics like fire and smoke. Fire and smoke detection. Photodiode is used to detect fire and smoke for safety. Photodiodes are also used octocoupler. To provide electronic isolation between two electronic circuit. And lastly, photodiode is used as photosensor. Detector, which is used to measure the intensity of light. Like lux meter in photocell. So these are the applications of photodiodes which are used.